In this video, I'll be talking about the volt and the electron volt. The volt is the measure of the potential or the potential difference. So in other words, the volt is the unit of potential, which is joule per unit coulomb. Joule again is the unit of energy. Electron volt is in fact, it is the energy. What kind of energy? So when you put the one electron, a single electron, into a potential difference of 1 volt, then the energy stored in this electron is the 1 electron volt. So let's say this is at 1 volt and this is at 0 volt. Now if you place one electron right here, so this negative charge will try to repel this one. That means there is a stored potential energy into the electron because it has ability to do work. It wants to move away this one. That means it does have the stored potential energy. So the potential energy is stored in this electron when it is placed in a potential difference of 1 volt is called 1 electron volt, or simply the electron volt. And how do you calculate the value of the 1 electron volt? If you recall it, that the potential energy into an electric field is given by Q times the delta V, where the delta V is the potential difference. In this case, what is the potential difference here? This is the 1 volt. What is Q? Q is the charge of an electron. What is the charge of an electron? Let me write down here. The potential energy is given by Q times delta V. Here we're calculating the 1 electron volt. So 1 electron volt is the 1 electron volt is the potential energy, and Q is the charge of electron. And that this delta V, that means the potential difference between these two plates. Potential difference between these two plates is 1 volt, or simply 1. And what is the charge of the electron? The charge of the electron is 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19. And this is the coulomb and this is the volt, so unit is joule. So this is the magnitude of the 1 electron volt. And remember, this is the unit of energy. And here, as I have written down here, and I will talk this one about in the different video. This is how you find out